In this lecture, we are going to discuss identity operator as well as membership operator. This identity operators are is and is not. Identity operators in Python are used to check if two variables refers to the same object in memory or not. So when you are going to do that A10, B10, these both are having same reference. How we can check? A is 10, sorry, A is B, we are going to check. So this A and B having same reference, so we get true as a result. So they evaluate the identity and equality of the object being to compare the rather than their values. So here is and not is two operators. It checks the two variables refers to the same object in memory or not. So it checks A is B means it checks both are in same reference or not. If both are in same reference, it returns the true. If both are in different references, then it returns false. And what is going to this not is, it checks the two variables A equal to 10 and B equal to 50. It checks the both variables reference not in same object reference. So both are different objects, then it is a true. So if in case both are different, it will be going to true, otherwise a false. So don't confuse. Suppose A equal to 10 and B equal to 10. So A and B values are equal. So what? A is B is true. Don't treat like that. The I reference is completely different. So when we go with a tuple, so T1 equal 10, 20, 30 and T2 equal to 10, 20, 30. So here also two tuples are, these two variable, two tuples are having same values, even though the T1 is T2 is different. The return is false. Why? Because this T1 and T2 are mutable. So what we get? The false as a result. But A and B, these integer values are immutable. So what we are getting? True as a result. So how we can confirm? When you check with the ID method, ID of A, ID of B, we get the same reference memory location, and ID of T1, ID of T2, we get two different memory references. So we are going to check how it will be works. So here A equal 10, B equal 10. So here print A is B. So obviously we get the result is the true. So we compare this, print ID of A and same way ID of B. So we get same object reference. So what we are getting? True as a result. The same situation I am going to do this. Suppose X equal tuple 10, 20, 30 and 40. We are going to, and Y equal, so same values I am going to take care. So 40 and same print equal X is Y. So we get, so what happened? So indentations are mandatory. So what we get? This type of error. So print a false. Why? Because these IDs are different. For comparison, ID of X, ID of Y. So both are going to different IDs. So here one different way I am going to take here. A deep copy I am going to do here. I am going to do deep copy. A equal 1, 2, 3 and B equal to A and C equal same values I am going to get here 1, 2, 3. So A, B, C, three tuples are there. So here a print A is B, I am going to check, and the same way print A is C. So actually this A and B and C are all are having same variables, same values. So for clarity, print A comma B comma C. So here, so you compare. So here, so all are having similar values. So even though this first expression is true, the second expression is false. Why? So this is the B equal to A. This is a deep copy. So what happens in B, the A will also reflect. For that, I am going to show you. So I am going to comment this. So for that, so A dot append 56 I am going to do. 56 I am going to do. So print here, print A, print B. So here print A and print B. Now I am going to check this. So print A and B is this 1, 2, 3. So now I am appending this for only A. I am appending only A, but the reflection, so B is also updates. So here, so this is nothing but a deep copy. So what this ID of A and B is similar actually here. So here a print ID of A and B and C are A and B and C. So here you compare. So first A and B references are similar and the C is different. So you notice this is the deep copy, and this is, and there is one method is there, the copy method. Suppose you observe D equal A dot copy, and I am going to print. So I don't want this all the things. I'm going to print D, and here 1, 2, 3. So when, if in case I am going to append any value, A dot append 45 and print A and print B, D. So both the print A and D are working independently. So you observe A is appended, element is updated, but D is not appends. I mean that not added any element. So what, that is a different, and B equal to A is a deep copy, and A equal to, sorry, D equal to A dot copy is shallow copy. So this is a difference. While you practicing is, that is a different. And not equal. What is a not equal? Suppose A equal to 10, B equal 20. So both IDs are different. Just you observe, print ID of A, print ID of B. So both IDs are different. So now I am going to check print A is not B. So what we get? So yes, true. Why? Because both the references are different. Suppose A value, B value is similar references, false. Both are having similar reference. So in this way we are going to check this. So two variables are not having similar references, then it will be true. If in case having a similar references, then it will be become as a false. That is a identity operator. Identity operators are performs only the reference level, object reference level. Then a membership operator. Next one is a membership operator. Membership operators are in and not in. In, not in. So previous one is and not is memory level. So here these operators allow to check the whether the value is in present in sequence within a given sequence or not. Suppose there is a range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a one sequence is there up to 10. So this 6 is a one number. This is a element is in this sequence or not. We are going to check. So this. So if in case 6 is available in this sequence, then it returns a true. If 6 is not available in this sequence, it is written the false. So here A in, suppose 6 in this sequence, then true. And 6 not in, then false. So that is sequence level, it will be going to check. And always it returns the Boolean values. So what is in and what is not in? In operator checks if value is existing sequence. The value is existing in sequence, then it returns a true. If value is found in the sequence, it returns true. Otherwise, the false. Then you observe A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, suppose. And I am going to check print 4 in A or not. So it will be going to 4 is there in a sequence. There it is a true. The same way not in, it is the same way it checks the value is exist or not exist. It doesn't exist. If value is not found, suppose 7 not in A, 7 is not available, then it is a true. 4 not in A, so 4 is actually available, so what, it is a false. So in and not in, if in case in the within the sequence the value is there, it is a true. Not in, if the value is not available in that sequence, that is a true. So both are different. So I will go to check with examples. So now I'll check here. Suppose ABC equal to, suppose apple, banana, orange. So here I am going to check a print. Here apple in ABC or not. Apple in ABC or not. So in this way we are going to check. If apple is present in this ABC, then it returns a true. Suppose I am going to not in, I am doing not in, then it is a false. Why? Because apple is available in this sequence. So for that, in the place of apple, I am going to with the mango. Mango not in, yes, mango is not available in that sequence, then it is a true. Suppose we are going to check with in, then it will be going to a false. Suppose I am going to take one sequence, text equal to hello, welcome to Python, and here I am going to check print of y in text or not. We are going to check this letter, this y is available in this text or not. Yes, it is available. Yes, why? Because this y is in Python. Same way, if in case you go with a is available or not, a is not available, so you compare this expression, this output, it is a false. So in this way we are using this membership operators. So checking the sequence of values, the particular value is placed in that sequence or not. That way we are going to check. Identity operator is for checking reference, and it is for if within the sequence the element is available or not. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.